12 years ago, we were lucky to have an alum, Mike Homer, who really asked the question, what are we going to do in this space to teach students about the power of business to create a better world?
Responsible business is a strategy. It's the art and science of doing well by doing good.
The Center's mission is to educate students about things that in many cases are left to the side because they're too hard.
Haas was really the only school that I found where you really saw authenticity with how they connected both social, environmental, and business issues all together.
What I see in CRB students is that fire in the belly. They're out there challenging the way that things are currently done.
When we engage with our students, we're trying to find what they're passionate about and what they're good at, and trying to help them integrate aspects of corporate responsibility and sustainability into a whole bunch of different functional areas.
We're seeing more and more companies realize that understanding how social objectives help to meet business objectives is critical.
I want to see a world where every product is measured for its social and environmental impacts.
I hope that I can make people think differently about the same problems. You feel like one small piece of a huge puzzle, but a little change can make a big difference.
I think my best legacy would be to know that Mike Homer is proud. He didn't get to live to see the work, to see our students out there doing great things in a socially responsible way.
If we can help put people in companies where they're loving what they do, they're doing some good in the world through their company, that's the kind of change that we're creating here at the Center for Responsible Business.